All right, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to really take things to a whole nother level, especially if you are trading remotely. This will be best used if you're like on a VPS. If you have this on a VPS, I recommend a VPS. I know it'll work if you use the proper plan, but some VPSs are kind of iffy. So if the software doesn't work on that VPS, it's probably something wrong with the VPS. Just make sure they have great latency speed, or you will have a slow connection issue. Or you can have it on your desktop computer, which I do. I don't never cut off my desktop computer, and I only use it for trading pretty much. Okay, so this is what you can do to really take this to a next level. If you are trading remotely, like from your cell phone, another location, or even if you're trading on this particular computer, you can take this to the next level and allow this to manage your trades without you necessarily having to do anything. Okay. Now, this method, pretty much, if you use this method, you have to make sure that whatever stop loss and take profit, whatever values that you put here, is going to be applicable for every pair that you open a trade on. So you want to make sure that whatever settings you use is going to work on every pair you trade on, because if not, then this is not going to be very effective for you. So typically I like to know what I'm trading, and or if I'm going to be using this in this way. Typically I will set things up to where I'm going to be trading pairs to where the settings that I put on the stop loss and take profit will work perfectly for it. Okay. So this is what you need to do first. First thing is you need to put in all your settings, which all of my settings are set up properly. Then after you do that, you want to go to template and you want to save template. And you want to name the template the same name as the actual software. Okay. So UOP FX Trade Manager. It has to be typed exactly as I am typing it and exactly how it is spelled, or it will not work properly. So you see UOP is all capitalized, FX is capitalized exactly like it is here. Okay. And I'm going to hit save, and then that's it. After you save it as a template, you're pretty much good to go from that point. So after you do that, what you will do is you're going to turn server mode on, which is this automated mode here, and you're going to put it in lock mode. Okay. When it's in lock mode, essentially what that means is you can't modify the settings while trades are actually open. If it's not in lock mode, then you're able to modify settings or whatever. If you wanted to turn it off, then you just hit disabled to turn it off. Okay. But I'm going to leave that on, then I'm going to hit OK. And then boom, I'm done. So I'm going to open up another trade just to show you it works. This is a demo account, so it really doesn't matter. Let's see here. Which ones I have open. All right, so there you have it. You see it's opening up stuff, and it's automatically adding those stop losses. If I'll come down here to history, you will see that the stop loss is added there. You need to kind of pay attention to it, because I had to actually uninstall MT4, then I had to reinstall MT4, and then what I also had to do, because MT4 was removing it, it wasn't working at first, and I couldn't figure out why. So I looked at the expert log in the journal, and the expert log showed that MT4 was removing the EA every time it tried to open up on a new chart. So if that happens to you, then you may have to uninstall MT4 and reinstall, then re-log in again, because that's what I had to do for me to get it to start working. After that, what I did was I went to Tools and History Center, and I just came here and I just clicked on download Oh, sorry, I clicked on FX pairs and hit download. And basically, it's not going to do it anymore. But basically, I just downloaded all the price data for the pairs that are here, because sometimes if your broker doesn't update or push updates to MT4, then you won't have all the price data, and that can cause issues. So I did that. If you get a price data error,